Imagine building your dream home in 2030. You've got the perfect plot, the blueprints, and the vision. But there's one major question looming over your project. What will the cost of construction materials be? Specifically, what will the price of beams be? Beams are a fundamental component of any construction project. They provide structural support, ensuring the stability and safety of buildings. But the price of beams can fluctuate significantly over time due to various factors. In this video, we'll explore the factors that influence the price of beams, analyze historical trends, and make educated predictions about what we can expect in 2030. Factors affecting beam prices. Supply and demand. The most significant factor affecting beam prices is the balance between supply and demand. If demand for beams outpaces supply, prices tend to rise. Conversely, if supply exceeds demand, prices may decrease. Economic conditions. Economic factors such as inflation, interest rates, and overall economic growth can impact the cost of construction materials. During economic downturns, demand for construction materials may decrease, leading to lower prices. Raw material costs. The cost of raw materials used to produce beams, such as steel and wood, can also influence their price. Fluctuations in the prices of these raw materials can be passed on to consumers. Technological advancements. Technological advancements in the construction industry can affect beam prices. For example, the development of new materials or manufacturing processes can lead to more efficient production, potentially reducing costs. Global events. Events such as natural disasters, political instability, or trade wars can disrupt the global supply chain and impact the price of construction materials. Historical trends. To understand the potential price trajectory of beams in 2030, it's helpful to examine historical trends. We can look at how beam prices have fluctuated over the past decade and identify any recurring patterns or trends. Here are some potential historical trends to consider. Increasing demand for construction. As populations grow and urbanization continues, the demand for new construction projects is likely to increase, driving up the price of construction materials, including beams. Rising raw material costs. Over the past few decades, the prices of raw materials like steel have experienced fluctuations. If these trends continue, it could put upward pressure on beam prices. Technological innovations. Advancements in construction technology have the potential to offset rising costs by improving efficiency and reducing waste. Predictions for 2030. Based on the factors we've discussed and the historical trends, here are some potential scenarios for beam prices in 2030. Scenario 1. Continued price increases. If demand for construction continues to outpace supply, and the prices of raw materials remain high, we could see further increases in beam prices. Scenario 2. Stable prices. With technological advancements and potential improvements in supply chain efficiency, it's possible that beam prices could remain relatively stable. Scenario 3. Price decreases. In a more optimistic scenario, significant advancements in construction technology and a decrease in demand for construction materials could lead to lower beam prices. Predicting the exact price of beams in 2030 is challenging, as it depends on a variety of factors that can change over time. However, by understanding the key influences on beam prices and examining historical trends, we can make informed estimates about what to expect. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.